So now we're going to learn about data frames and how to create data frames and manipulate and find data frames attributes. So data frames are used to store tabular data in R. So they are so important types of objects that are mostly used for statistical modeling applications. So we're going to first learn how can we create a data frame by specifying a set of named vectors to data.frame function. Okay, so I've went ahead and already created these three vectors. So first we have day, date, and temperature in Fahrenheit. Okay, so to create a data frame, so let's say our data frame represents um, the weather temperature forecast, right? And let us create this data frame by using data.frame, right? So this creates a data frame. So what should we provide? In this case, we're going to provide our vectors. So first we have day, date, temperature, and now let us first learn how can we deal with this error. We observed from the first start that if we try to create a data frame using vectors with non-matching lengths, we get an error message, right? So that is one of the things that you should note. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add and let us create this data frame. So now we have created our data frame, right? So we want to learn how can you manipulate data frame, but if we want to print, we can also use print.default and pass in our data frame, right? So as we can see from the output is that the class here is data.frame, right?